Hello, everybody. So, I hope your day is starting off well. Um, it's Friday, so if you're working, it's a good thing. I thought real quickly, I'm sitting here cleaning my stamping um, platforms. It looks brand new, right? So, what it is, like the waterproof ink and all of that, we can't use water on those to clean them. I don't know if any of these are waterproof or not. Um, I don't know, but I'm just going to show you what I did to clean that one, clean this one, and I basically used alcohol. So I just stuck it on a paper towel. I mean, an alcohol is cheap, right? But I just kind of put it on the paper towel. What's the word? Sparing, sparingly. I put quite a bit, so that in these spots where it's been there a while or whatever, it kind of left a little bit when I went over it the first time. So when I come back the second time, it's going to take it right off. And hopefully you could see what just happened is that just cleaned right off. It's gone. All of that mess is gone. Now, if you have a lot of it, it can kind of smear it around, and your clear plastic part will look kind of cloudy. And see how that came off? So what you can do is, I'm just going to grab another piece and I'm just going to go put more clean alcohol on, and I'm just going to go over it a second time just to make sure I've got most of it off. See, there's still a little bit there. Turn it over. That was the wrong side, I think. But let's show you. Just to make sure that we got it clean. Let's see how much I got. Quite a bit more, right? Even though it looked perfectly clean, some of it was just smeared on, so it just smears it. But so you just got to take another one, and I'm telling you, that looks pretty clear. And I just keep doing it until I don't see anything in it. And you can go back over with a dry one, a dry paper towel. See the clean spot? Okay, I'm going to do this side first, because this side should be the cleanest side. Nothing. And then I'll go back this side. And pretty much nothing. You can get the edges if you think you got ink on the edges. No, this doesn't have anything on the edges. And you can go over this part of it. Take your tape pieces off and all that goo. It'll take that goo off. It'll take the goo off. See how it's... Watch. That right there. All that goo from that tape being on there, it'll take that off. I'll tell you another secret, and I don't know that, with new paint jobs and stuff anymore, there's no telling. I know you have to be careful what you use with some of the paints nowadays, because the stuff can eat it up. But see, there's still a little bit of goo from the tape, but Alcohol is going to take that goo off. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to work on other things, but if you ever had paint, like spray paint on something, like metal or whatever, and it's dried, hairspray will work to get it off sometimes. And so my thing is it because of the alcohol in the hairspray? It's not going to take the tape off, but it'll take that goo off. So let's make sure that wouldn't tape. See, it's taking that goo from the tape off. And now it's clean. So it's just a matter of finding the time. And it's not hard to find alcohol anymore. It was there for a while, but everybody's carrying it again, and they're not selling out and stuff. So it's cheap. It's not expensive. I have my big one left. Oops, I'm so sorry. So sorry that shook that phone like crazy, but here's my big one, and it's really not that bad. But that's opaque, and that should come off with water, but it also will come off with the alcohol. So now, alcohol proof ink, yeah, you're gonna have to find something else, because this isn't gonna get it. I do believe water will, though. So if you do this, get it clean, and you still got ink, then go take it to the faucet and clean it with water. I do like this big old ink platform, mostly because it's so big I can get anything on there. I love being able to get big sheets of paper and stuff on there too. So I need a clean, and it's important because it's important to have clean area to put the alcohol on, because if I just keep putting alcohol on the paper towel where there's ink, that ink's gonna come off and back on to the stamping thing. So it will take alcohol ink away. That's the base, Fix them paper towels. That's the base of the ink, is alcohol, like Bic markers and that stuff. You need to get it off. Try alcohol. Make sure it's a safe surface to put alcohol on first, though. You always got to do that. Always make sure it's a safe surface, because you don't want to put something that's not going to be able to take the alcohol. See, there's nothing on here. This one's too new to have it. And usually the platforms don't get it that bad anyways. Any of your stamping blocks, same thing. Just get the alcohol and rub and clean. So even if it's waterproof ink, the alcohol should clean it. This is a tonic stamping block. I don't know where I got a tonic stamping block from, but I don't remember. Seems like I've had them for a long time, but I just don't remember getting stamping blocks from Tonic, but obviously I did. See, I don't know. There we go. Nice and clean, no problem. There's something on this. Like something splattered. And it's in there. But there we go. So, nice. Beautiful. Clean. Right? You should have seen this one before I cleaned it. And when I got done with it, I was like, why am I not sharing this? I need to share this in case, I mean, probably most of you do know that, but do know about it. But for the people that don't, you know, I need to share it. So that was it for this video. A quick one, but hopefully very helpful, I hope. I mean, you can use it for this. I mean, I use it on my silicone mats. I use it on a lot of stuff. So, if you like my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll join me again. Bye-bye now.